Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create this type of 3D letter M in Adobe Illustrator. So the first thing we need is a perfect triangle. For this, select the polygon tool. Click on the artboard and set sides to 3 and hit OK. And here we have a perfect triangle. Change its fill to outline. Hold the Alt button and create a copy of it. Then go to Reflect tool. Hit Enter and reflect it horizontally. And joint them. Then go to Pathfinder. If it is not there, you can bring this from the window menu. And click on the Unite button. Adjust it and hold the Alt button and create a copy of it toward the right. And press Ctrl+D 9 times. Now hold the Alt button, create a copy, and place it here. Then select both these lines. Hold the Alt button, drag it up and set it here. And press Ctrl+D 3 times. Now select the Line tool. Draw a straight line here. Hold the Alt button and create a copy of it. Press Ctrl+D for duplicate. Now select all the triangles and lines. Select the Shape Builder tool. Click on the dot button from your keyboard to bring this gradient. And follow my use of the Shape Builder tool. When it is done, select the Magic tool. And click on these lines and hit Delete. Now select this shape and change the outline to none. Now it's time to play with a gradient. I have these colors for gradient, you can use these. Now select this shape. Click on a small circle of the gradient panel, hold the Shift button, and apply. Click on second small circle, hold the Shift button, and apply second color. And follow my color gradient settings. Now select the Line tool and draw lines here. Select all these lines and apply the gradient to it. Change both the gradient colors to white. Set one side gradient opacity to 0%. And change linear to a radial gradient. Change the blend mode to overlay. Now select the whole shape and press Ctrl+G to group. Hold the Alt button and create a copy of it. Select the Reflect tool and reflect it horizontally. Set it here. Now select the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle here. And apply this white-black gradient. Now select both the shape and reflected M. Go to the Transparency panel and click on Make a Mask. And select the Gradient tool and play with it. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comments section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.